Assalamu alaikum. Today we will making a Firebase application that will perform CRUD operation. So let's see the demo. Create a user here and click the create button, so it will create the user. And if we want to update the user documents, so first you will give the document name. In my case I set the username as a document name. Let's see. So you will give the document name. I want to change the Gmail of Ibad Khan, so it will change to khan@gmail.com and click the update button. Let's see the changes occur. And if we want to delete some data, so give the username, give the document name Ibad Khan, it will delete that document. And let's see, delete another document Nabil Khan and click the delete button. So let's start from Android Studio. Import package material dot create a main function, material app, show the debug banner, and here create a stateful widget. Use a home property and give my app. So create a app bar and give some title text. Body, use a column. So here we will create text field and give some decoration, input decoration, and give the label text. Username. Also change the borders. And input border radius dot circular 20. Let's restart the application. Also give some padding to the column. Hot restart and create another text field. Hot restart and give some height between the text field. Use size box. Now create a row for button. Here we use expanded, not use expanded, so cut. Here we use elevated button. Give text here create, also give some color, background color, green. Let's restart the application. And copy the button and paste 2 times, one for update and one for delete. And change the color will be amber and the delete color will be red. Use a main axis alignment, space evenly, and here also use some, give some height. Now create a text editing controller for text field. So one is for username, let's create another for email. Use a controller, name controller, and here email, controller email. Now let's create a functions or create user, make it asynchronous, and also use a try catch block. Now it will print the exception, debug console. Copy and paste 2 times, so one for update and one for delete. And go to buttons, so in create button call the create function, and here also use name.clear function. So when user click the create button, it will empty the text field. Also email.clear, and here call the update function, name.clear, email.clear, and here call delete function, name.clear, email.clear. So also include the Firebase core plugin and Cloud Firestore plugin in your pubspec.yml, and go to Cloud Firestore and also check the rule. In your case, if the here false, then make it to true. And let's create a functionality for create user. So here we will use a Firebase instance dot collection. So here we will create a one variable for Firebase, firestore.instance. So cut and here we will use await keyword in Firebase dot. Here we will give the collection name and also doc dot set, so it will require a map. So let's create a map for Firebase, and here we will give name dot text email equal to email dot text. So go to Cloud Firestore, created collection manually with the name of user, and give some document ID. It's automatically add the ID, and in my case I only save the username and its email. So give the key or field for the value, so name, and name equal to Ibad, and also add one field for one field or key for email, and give ibad@gmail.com. Let's save. So let's see, the user collection is created with document ID, and it include the email and name. Now delete the user and go to the Android Studio. So here, now restart the application. Create a user Ibad Khan. If I click the create button, so here a collection is created with the name of user, and it include the username and email inside a document. Let's see the output. So the user collection is created, and it include document ID. So inside the document we have name and email. Now I want to save the document with the name of user, so here I give the name.text. When the user created a document, so I set it the document is the username. Let's see the changes here. Ibad gmail.com. Here restart the application, and now Ibad gmail.com, and if I click the create button, so it will create the document with the name of Ibad. Let's see the document. So it's created the document by user name. Now create a update functionality. So Firebase dot collection. So here we will use a user collection dot doc. So the document is the name of the user. When the user give his name, so it will find that name and update that specific value. So update function is required map value. So here create a map. I only change the email of the user. So here I give the email key to the value of email.text. Let's restart the application and see the changes. So I want to change the email of Ibad. So first we will give the username. So the username is a document name, and here give the email for user and click the update. So it will update the email. And now let's create a delete functionality. So firebase dot collection, here write user dot doc. So the doc is the name of the user dot delete. Let's restart the application and see the changes. If I give the document name and click the delete button, so it will delete the Ibad document which include the email and name. Let's see, it will delete the Ibad. Now create another user, Nabil Khan. So it will create with the name of username, created the document with the name of username. So I want to update the email. So first we will give the username and then change or update the email. So click the update button, the email will be updated. If I want to delete the Nabil document, so simple write the username and click the delete button. Now go to here, let's create one container. I want to show the user document here in our application. So child we use stream builder it require context and snapshot, and here we use if condition. If the snapshot has data, so return the data, else return circular progress indicator. And here if the snapshot has data, so make listview.builder context and one index, I for index, and here it return the name of user. So snapshot data dot so give here the type, it's a query snapshot. Now snapshot dot data dot docs, here use for index I and data. It shows some error. argument type cannot be assigned. So here we will define query document snapshot. Snapshot.data.docs. Here use the I, and here so x dot name, I want to show the username. Give some height to container 300, give some width double dot infinity, and also wrap the stream builder in single child scroll view. Here use physics scroll physics, and here also use physics, inside the list view physics scroll physics, and here use shrink wrap to true. Let's restart the application. So it has some error. And let's check the code. Let's cut from the row and paste outside of the row outside of the row in column, and let's restart the application. Let's see the output. So let's create a user Ibad, and here also give email and click the create button. It's why it was not showing the user. Check the cloud Firestore. So the user is created in cloud Firestore. Let's see the code here. What's the reason? Wrap this in center widget. Here we will miss stream. So Firestore Firebase dot collection. So give the collection name dot snapshot. Let's restart the application. Let's see, it will show the user here, and if we want to show the user email, so change it to email and restart the application. And if we create another user, Now click create. So let's see, the user will show. Let's make some UI. So here we will use list style, user title text, here x dot, in the title we will show the name, and in the subtitle we will show the user email. Let's restart the application. See the output, and do one thing. So create another user, and also check the update functionality. So first we will give the document name. So in my case the document name is the username. I will change the Ibad Khan Gmail. So here I will write Ibad Khan and change the Gmail to han@gmail.com. Let's update the Gmail here. Let's see the output, and also change Nabil Khan Gmail. So here Nabil Khan@gmail.com and click update. So it will show the output here. And if we want to delete some documents, so here we will give the document name. So I want to delete the Sabit Khan from database. So simple, write the username, so it will delete it from the database also, and also from the application. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.